Are you pouring hours into your Twitch streams only to watch your viewer numbers stay completely flat? The blunt truth is that Twitch is simply not designed to hand you discovery on a silver platter. There is no secret growth algorithm waiting to spotlight new streamers or give you a front page push. If you genuinely want people to find your channel, you have to go out and find them first. The fastest, most reliable way to do that today is through short form content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. These platforms are actively hunting for engaging clips to show new people, and that is exactly where your future viewers hang out. In this video, I'm going to give you a practical, no-nonsense guide to mastering these shorts. We will cover what metrics actually matter, the formats that work, and how to pump out a week of high-quality clips in under an hour. My name is Barry, and after years of grinding, flopping, and experimenting, I have found exactly what works for getting discovered. Twitch fails at discovery because most viewers only check the channels they already follow or browse known categories. If you want new faces, you need to meet them where they are already spending time, swiping through clips that make them laugh. Short-form content puts your personality, gameplay, and reactions directly into their feed without requiring them to search. Most creators get this wrong because they obsess over raw views, but platforms actually reward two specific analytics. First, look at your average percentage watch, which tracks how much of your clip people are actually viewing. Many viewers will glance for a second and scroll, so platforms favor videos that make people stick around longer. People often assume that shorter is always better, but that is a dangerous trap to fall into. Platforms reward total watch time, so a slightly longer clip with decent retention can outperform a tiny, perfectly edited one. As a rule of thumb, shorts under 15 seconds are risky unless they are so funny that people watch them twice. For clips between 15 and 30 seconds, you should aim for a 90 to 95% average watch rate. If you are posting clips in the 40 to 60 second range, 75 to 80% retention is usually enough to go viral. The second critical metric is the viewed versus swiped ratio, which measures if people stick around past the first 2 seconds. Because the first 3 seconds are absolutely critical, your goal is to hit a 75% ratio. Nail the first 3 seconds to get them to commit, then nail the rest to boost your watch time. You also need to be aware of the 300 viewer test, where platforms perform a quick experiment on your video. The platform shows your short to an initial audience and scores it based on engagement behaviors like likes and shares. If you hit the points threshold, your video gets pushed to more people, and the cycle repeats automatically. So, how do you reliably beat these tests and get your content in front of new potential viewers? Step 1 is the hook, where you must stop the scroll within 3 seconds by being punchy and direct. Step 2 is to deliver the story, using twist or high-stakes moments that keep the viewer invested. Step 3 is the payoff, where you provide a satisfying conclusion and cut the video immediately after. Viral creators also bake retention hacks into the cut, such as using captions on every single video. Because people often scroll with the sound off, captions act as a visual anchor that keeps them glued to the screen. Managing this entire pipeline of clipping, editing, and scheduling can easily become a full-time job. This is exactly why you need a tool like Vizard to handle the heavy lifting of content creation. Vizard is the AI-savvy assistant that scans your long streams to find the moments that actually move people. It combines automated viral clip detection, intelligent scheduling, and a real content calendar in one place. Vizard automatically identifies high-potential moments, scores them, and packages them with optimized captions and formats. The built-in scheduler lets you set your posting frequency so you never have to worry about manual uploads again. Unlike other tools that force you into rigid templates, Vizard is designed to keep your unique voice intact. You maintain full control, allowing you to tweak the hooks, adjust captions, or change thumbnail frames whenever you like. If you are still editing everything manually, you are leaving your channel's discoverability on the table. Give Vizard a spin, let it scan your next few streams, and start gathering actual data to iterate on. After a few weeks of consistent content, you will notice new faces showing up in your chat and more followers. Stop the manual grind and start using automation so your best moments can work for you 24/7. Go make the clips, set your schedule, and let your content do the recruiting for you. Stream better, grow faster, and enjoy the process of building your community.